and relax. 2, 2, 3, got a trouble, I'm never coming back. Whoa, got a one-way ticket to the blue. Bye bye love, my baby's leaving me. Now it's only 2 drops, so only I can see. Whoa, whoa, got a one-way ticket to the blue. Gotta take a trip to Philippines. Gotta stay at Heartbreak Hotel. I booze I die, and never once I cry my tears away. Tururururu, 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 torirarirarar. Oh, got a one-way ticket to the blue. Oh, while relaxing, you know me. I need to relax. I need to relax. But look at this. And look at that. And look at this. How can I relax on this time? You know me. You know me. While I'm relaxing, I'm doing something. You know me. Naku, lipstick ba? Mag-lipstick sa uy. Teka lang, mag-lipstick ko, be. Naku, lipstick na rin. Mag-lipstick na rin. Kaya magsayaw-sayaw, tagduha. Masayawan ko kayo. Mag-lipstick sa ako rin. Kaya magsayaw-sayaw ta. Ha? Ito yung ano. Pangpadikit ng lipstick ba? Para ano, hindi matanggalin lipstick agad. Ito na. Lipstick na si Rosalie. Ginawa. I can't figure it out. If I just look in the camera, you know, I need a real mirror. Daling ko kasi sa mirror. Over there in the bathroom, they have a mirror. Let's go. There it is. And there it is. In the bathroom, I told you, they have a mirror. Okay. Oy. How was it? How was it now? How do I look now? With the lipstick now? Ba't siya may nagkalat dito? Yung kalat na ilagay nilang sa ano? Gawin mong blush on. Sabi ko sa iyo. Oy! Tapos, magkat mo man dahil.
Dominic,
Ang light ba?
just go back. I can handle this myself.
Oh,
Okay?
tapos kat mo man dahil ulit.
No, stop, Dominic. Stop, bro. I can handle this myself.
Oh. No. Wapahar lagi. Meow!
Ooh.
Gawa ako ng ano. 2, 2, 3, nang ganiraradan, gadadadadan, tarirariraran, ooh. Got a one-way ticket to the blues. Bye-bye love, my baby's leaving me. Now there's only 2 drops alone that I can see. Ooh.